What up, everybody? Got the judge fired up. It's time for some judgment. But what's going on? That's the big mystery. All right, got some Kingsford Blue in there, chunk of oak, heating up. Got it banked over to the right where the vents are. I had the vents wide open. It was giving me close to 500, so I dialed it down. I'm gonna cook some chicken wings that I have over here, but gonna inject the chicken wings with Wagyu beef tallow and see how that turns out. Could be a massive fail, or it could be a delicious new way I do chicken wings. So that said, got my nice oversized injector here. Gonna put some tallow in the pan, open up the door on the judge there, put it on the coals, melt it up, and come back when it's melted. Inject most of these in case it's awful. I do want some ones that are still edible. Gotta keep those away from Rosie. All right. Let's get this tallow opened up. Haven't used it before. I've had it for a very long time. Let's see. That's what it looks like. If you haven't seen it before, just gonna get a couple scoops into the cast iron pan. Not quite sure how much I need, but I think this will be plenty. Get in there. Get in there. All right, that should do it. All right. Let's get that open. That's hot, so do it quick. Sorry about the bouncing around with the camera. Get that right there. Gotta love the judge, right? Cool. We'll be back. We're just gonna close that up a bit. That's already melting quick. Gotta stay on top of that. Don't want it to boil and whatnot and brown. All right, here we are. Time to inject. So, let's see. All right, let's see what we can do. Here we go. Ooh, that's nice and warm. All right, let's get some of that in there. Just hit it in a couple spots. Whoa, squirted right out. All right. The ones I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in the red container because I'm gonna keep them separated so I know which is what. So when I get the ones I'm gonna do injected, I'll come back when it's time to put these on, because this is gonna be boring. All right, real quick, I got some leftovers, so let's see. Let's just pour it on there. Let that marinade. All right, meanwhile, gonna hit these up with some lemon pepper type chicken rub. Gonna put it equally on both, so the only difference is the tallow injection. All right, so what I like to do with my chicken wings is cook them indirect. That way the chicken fat has time to render down. Flavors have time to soak in, but primarily gives it time for the chicken fat to render down. Then, once they're almost done, I'll bring them over to the coals, cook them directly. Oops, I need to hit that one again. And crisp up that skin, nice and crispy style. So I'll get all these on here. I'm going to keep them separated, hogging all the space with those ones. So that's going to be the regular chicken wings. And these will be the tallow wings down here. I'm going to have to stay very focused on this cook so I don't forget which is which. So I'm just going to try to do the bottom 2 rows, I guess, like that, since I'm didn't do a very good job of spacing these out. But oh well, there's plenty of room on the judge. Let me just hit these all up, get the ones I missed. And then cool, that's the plan. Big goal though is to see if it's better with or without the tallow. So It's gonna be gross or real good. All right, essays, so we're at the 20-minute mark. So I'm curious, I'm just gonna take a quick temperature test and see where we're at. 134, it's pretty good. Plenty of time to take in that smoke from the oak. Yeah, we're all hitting about the same, 136. Oh, that can't be right. I think I poked too deep. Yeah, those are cooking pretty quick there, 163. These little flats. I'm gonna have to shuffle these around probably a little bit, but I think it's getting near time to sear these guys up. Had to add some char logs on there just to raise my temps. They were dropping a little bit. Those briquettes are running out of steam. And those char logs are hot, fast, and clean. Anywho, let's come in for a look. You think they'll be juicier and taste like beef? Or just taste like beef? Beef and chicken. I think that's gonna be pretty good. I don't know. All right, I gotta close the lid. Get that oak to simmer down. All right. All right, guys, here we're gonna witness history. Something I haven't done with the Judge before is cook it and use and actually lift the grates. So don't really need to do it, but I'm going to just to get me closer to these briquettes because they're losing a little steam, like I said. So let's see how easily I could do this. There you get picking that up. Look both ways so you can see. That's pretty good. Wow, that was effortless. Nice. All right, cool. Wow, I'm stoked on that. That was very easy. Much easier than the Rambler for me. All right, I'm gonna start with just the regular ones because officially they have less fat. They were not injected. All right. And I think I'm gonna be using the raising the grates more often. Again, not that I need to, but it was just cooler, right? Coming in for a close-in look. Pick up that sound of the sizzle. Nice. All right, regulars are done, so I'm gonna take them off. Looking done too. Look at that, man. Gorgeous. All right, let's get these there. We'll get these all on the plate and I'll be back to sear up the tallow wings. All right, let's get these bad boys on there. All right, these are coming along real nice. I'm trying to determine if they're just dripping more fat because of the injection or not. I'm sure they must be, logically, that makes sense. All right, they're done and coming off. Look at that. Pretty darn tasty. I like to use ranch dressing to dip these in. Sometimes of some other barbecue sauces, whatnot, but my go-to is ranch. All right, everybody, back. These are done, plated up. I know which is which. My daughter Emily here does not know which is which, so she'll take her wing, have a bite, and then I'll do the same, and she'll say which one she likes better. And then I'll let her know which is which. Cool, let's do it. Go ahead and pick.
It's really good.
So take note of what that one tastes like. I'm gonna grab one too. I like the flats best. That's good.
I could taste the seasoning, but I'm not sure if that's the fat or not.
Pretty crispy skin. What a great flavor. Nice and juicy.
Yep.
Nice and juicy. All right. All right, done with the first one. Go ahead, grab from the second plate. All right, let's do the same. So good.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know which one is which? Which one was injected with the beef?
Yeah, I'm guessing that one had the beef fat in it, but this one was the original.
You're right. I noticed a distinct wow factor when I bit into this one. The beef injected ones, you could tell the plate. They have a more crispier, burnt-looking bark or chicken or skin, but man, what a flavor these things have. Kind of tasted like a little bit of bacon in there, but I don't know how that could be. It wouldn't be bacon. It just tasted damn good. That's all I gotta say. Just an added flavor. Didn't necessarily taste like beef, but it just definitely tasted better than this. These were amazing. Like Emily said, tasted the salty chicken, lemon pepper seasoning, but these ones just had just an additional wow factor to it. That's all I could say. That's the best I could say about them. All right, Gabagoo Barbecue, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Later.
I got it all right. Oh, yeah. Base. Bob. He's always watching. Okay.